one is Whiteboard, and it's a canvas really where you can collaborate with others and start to draw and write on a board together. And I cannot tell you, as a trainer and consultant, how many times I grab a pen and just take to a whiteboard. Even in my own home, we've got a whiteboard, and it's like, oh, we need to figure out what we're doing with the kitchen. Okay, to the whiteboard, and we're literally planning on a whiteboard. So it's kind of in my DNA to get my ideas out on a blank page, and it really makes a difference when you've got a group of people together who are trying to get something communicated properly. So having the ability to use a whiteboard is very cool. What's great about this particular application is you can put it into your meeting. So you can put it into say a Teams meeting where you're meeting up with 5 or 6 other people. You can all grab your pens and start scribbling, and it will just sync that across all these remote connections. So it doesn't matter where you are in the world, as long as you're joining a Teams meeting and it's got Whiteboard and you've got a touch device, you can draw on the board and get involved in that meeting. So a really powerful tool for brainstorming and creative process where you want to just get your ideas down and work together with others.